What's up, guys?
Hello.
How you guys doing? I'm here with Elle.
Oh my god, I have the
Um,
sound on your stream on. Wait.
hear yourself. Curse of hear yourself.
That's confusing.
I'm I'm here. I'm working on a tiny life on a tiny life mod. Maybe I should stream. Maybe hold on. Maybe this should actually be the whole monitor instead of just Rider.
Yeah. Yeah, because then the game, when it
Cause
opens,
in
you
the
can like
game,
see it.
yeah, cause in the game wouldn't show up. Hold on, give me a second.
Yeah.
Can I scaled game capture more like dis display cat. Hold on. Actually, I should not. Hold on. Give me a second. I should not do this live. Bear with me one moment.
Do you use the like, what's the mode called where you see the like a preview of what you're about to do?
I
Because
do
I never do
use
that because
I
it's
do use studio mode.
that's what
However,
it's called.
whenever my game window is a source projection. So if I edit the source, even if I don't update that, even if I don't update my active displayed source, it still updates.
Right.
So what I have to do is go to my
Oh my
BRB
god,
for a
SS Blur is
second.
live.
Wait, really? Holy
I'm getting
shit!
an email.
Whoa! Will you get a fucking email for that?
I get an email for like my friends that I actually occasionally watch. Because otherwise I wouldn't like find out.
Yeah, fair. You know what? Fair. Oh my god, Astra, how fucking dare you make me chug when the only thing I have in front of me is an unopened sparkling ice
What about the
caffeine?
tea?
I drank it.
Oh, already? Okay.
Yeah, I drank it before stream.
Oh. Well, you were still drinking while we were talking. I mean, I guess that was technically before stream, but you know.
Yeah, hold on. I'm not actually.
You're gonna die.
I'm gonna die. It's only 70 milligrams of caffeine. Oh, actually, no. I do have another tea here. I'm gonna chug the tea instead. It's sweet tea. It's a glass of sweet tea.
Can't believe I'm finding out through your dumb like box that you can use F to full screen on Twitch.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That was designed for whenever it was YouTube, but I realized it was still true whenever I moved to Twitch.
Yeah.
Fuck. Which? No, that's the wrong monitor. No, that's the wrong monitor. There we go. I'm gonna print so much identifying information on here. Look at this. Okay. .NET restore.
It's very exciting.
.NET restore tools. Right? Is that what it is?
Why is your computer called Blur Corsair Vengeance A7?
Because I left the default name on there.
Oh.
.NET cake run. Is that what it is?
Yeah, I mean, cake is enough. I think that runs it. But it's target run.
.NET cake target run. That's a,
Yeah.
sorry. It's been a second.
It's
I'm
just a
not
cake
really
that
a
runs.
I'm not really a .NET developer. Anyways, just wanted to make sure that the mod environment was working. Here we go. We have
You have IDE installed.
yeah, because this is my core game.
Yeah.
Come on. How did you know that? Oh, because of this.
It says in the console.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, I forgot the console was visible. Here's example mod. This is the one we're working on. This is going to be Tiny Louvre. I should update the IDE in-game icon.
You should. Doesn't it have it like a good icon? I feel like it does. Right?
It has the Steam icon, which is fine. Oh, hold on. You know what I should do? I should close Steam so that I don't accidentally dox my friends.
Yeah, that makes sense. Also, it's annoying for your friends to keep seeing like, is playing Tiny Life? Is now not playing Tiny Life anymore? Is playing Tiny Life?
Oh, don't worry. It doesn't do that on Linux.
Because my friends actively get annoyed because I have that off.
Actually,
for, like,
hold on. It might do that on Linux for me specifically because I have a thing that makes it
Oh.
do that so that I could test the Steam compatibility or the
Because
Steam
I always
features.
like I have the notifications off for my computer, right? So that I don't see my friends doing that. So I forget that that's a feature. So then my friends get annoyed at me for opening Tiny Life too much. And I'm like, just turn it off, you know? I don't like. Why do you need to know what your friends are playing? That's not notification
Hold on,
worthy.
I'm just gonna open this in code real quick because yeah, here's what I do. Um, I had a modification on my build.cake and itty and my other stuff.
Uh-huh.
Where is it? That makes it because in the executable doesn't get hooked by Steam in Linux like it does
That's
in
interesting. Oh,
Windows.
so you do app launch? Okay, yeah, that makes
So
sense.
I use Steam App Launch, yeah.
Yeah.
Because I specifically wanted to launch it with Steam in
Yeah, that's
dev.
interesting that it doesn't get hooked by default though. That's
Well, it's because it doesn't load. It's because it doesn't dynamically load libraries like the same
yeah,
way as it does on Windows.
yeah.
So it's like the same reason you have to explicitly tell Wine and Proton what libraries to relink whenever you're launching Windows applications.
That makes sense.
Chug those sparkles, old creature. Oh, I didn't even chug yet. Hold on. God, you horrid person, Astra. Thank you for the
I
chug.
feel like sparkling something with chugs. That's what I meant to say.
Thank you for the
It's
hydrate.
terrible.
There's 5 of them. Jesus Christ.
How much is one
Thank you
hydrate?
for
Is
the
it a sip?
hydrate. It's a sip.
Okay.
Thank you for the hydrate. 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 I said I was gonna chug it before I realized I had a better drink. Okay, Astra. I am ever the entertainer, but I'm fucking tired right now. I don't want to chug a carbonated energy drink, even if it is one of the milder ones. That sucks.
Carbonated anything sounds terrible to chug.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm not fucking. I'm not in a fraternity anymore.
Anymore.
I actually was never in a frat. No, you're
That's
right.
good, because I would have ended the friendship.
I mean, I'm not gonna say. I'm not gonna lie. I partied plenty with them, but I was never in a frat.
Yeah, I feel like that's still different though.
What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was making a mod.
Yeah.
So I've done one thing on this mod. I worked on it a bit before, but what I worked on was dog shit, and I have to scrap it anyways because I'm redoing how it works. Oh, I'm killing you. What what is hashtag blame L?
I don't know. I guess it is a thing.
Why?
I don't know.
Anyways, example mod.cs. We're renaming this. Oh, it's Shift
That's such a
F6 in
perfect
wrapper. This is Tiny Louvre. Or Tiny
Such a
Louvre
good
now.
name, by the way.
Thank you. So the point of this mod is to allow people to make custom little paintings that get automatically shared with other people with the mod. The reason that I've been sitting on this for so long is because I didn't want to put up a server to host all of everybody's custom paintings.
Makes sense.
Because L is awesome. Also, hey Blur, hey Quap, how you doing? Thanks for joining. Maybe share your creations with friends. Everyone. It is an actual social media mod, unlike Itty, which is the fake social media mod.
Yeah.
I like Itty, don't get me wrong. I'm glad people have been enjoying Itty. I hope people have been enjoying, because otherwise, why the fuck are they asking me to update it every time
I mean, yeah,
the
that's a
Tiny
good sign. I
Life
think
comes
it's like
out?
quite popular, right? Wait.
Yeah, I'm not too
Most
bothered either
popular
way.
all time. Oh. Okay, if I
Oh,
don't filter by mod, then it's not on the first page.
Wow.
hang on, I'm filtering by mod.
I'm gonna preemptively. I'm gonna call my shot and say that I'm gonna put it on SS Blur Tiny Louvre, and that's gonna be the GitHub.
Most popular all time. Okay, it's on the first page. It's less popular than Froggy Chair.
Really?
It's right next to Froggy Chair.
Really?
Yeah,
I like Froggy Chair,
it's
but
good.
come on. You can't
Yeah, I
be
think right now the popular mods they're all like more furniture and clothes, which makes sense.
Yeah, I mean that's what you want from a Sims. This is game. It changes gameplay in a way that doesn't really contribute to the core, and that's always been my
Yeah,
problem with not Tiny Life with Itty,
but
is
I think
that
it's still good, you know.
I know I don't think Itty's bad. I just hold on. Let's just remove all the ad game content.
That's a good
Oh,
idea.
oh Lord. I should make a template mod for a proper template mod for Tiny Life at some point.
That'd be good.
Get custom furniture textures. We're actually not adding any custom furniture. Is this void? Is this?
I think that's
Oh,
virtual
it's an enumerable, so we just don't have to yield. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait. Can you not? Can you not yield on a
I think you have to
enumerable?
yield break once so that it knows that it's a yield one.
Yield break. Gotcha. Oh, see, this is new. This is why I wanted to go for the example. Wanted to do the example mod once, because this wasn't here whenever I made my original
The
mods.
popular options. I'll need you to know that that's not new at all. But yeah, it wasn't there. You're correct in that it wasn't there when the
Oh,
modding
I know
thing
it's not.
came
I
out.
figured it wasn't necessarily new, but
It's like 3 years old.
Remember, I made my my current template is based on like Tiny Life 0.2,
This was in the
I think
beta, right, or in the alpha.
0.1 or
Like,
0.2. It's very early.
yeah. Wait, let me go down. Um, 0.2 is
Dark
so
shirt
long ago that it
speed
doesn't even have a
option.
date yet. Wait. I like only started adding dates to the changelog a while later. Okay, 0.5 is the first one that has a date on it, and that's January 2021. So that's a long time ago.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah, you can like have options. It's cool.
Is this fucking Return to Innocence? I don't know what the background music is. I'm just vibing. All right, goodbye, Astra. Congrats on squishing SS Blur. Yeah. Can I just use SS Blur? Yeah, squish. I can't. I can't use the squish.
Wait, why not?
I have to. I guess I have to redeem.
Oh, unlock the channel points.
I have to
But
redeem
don't
the
you have an
channel
infinite
points.
amount of channel points though on your
I
own
do,
channel?
but I was wondering if I could
Right.
just use it.
Yeah.
Modify a single emote. SS Blur. Yeah. Squish.
I have a lot of points. I can use these.
Thinking? Oh, that's awesome.
Sure.
Horizontal flip.
But how does this work?
Squish.
Choose an emote 2. Oh, to unlock. No, modify it.
No, it still doesn't work. I redeemed it and I still don't have the squish.
SS Blur Sleeper. I don't even know what these are. Oh, that's the cat.
It's Peeper.
Yeah.
I'm not working on my ass is not working on the
I'm
mod.
unlocking the one with the sunglasses where the cat now has the sunglasses like on the nose.
Aw.
Share your new emote.
Okay,
There
let's
you go.
just
That's beautiful.
leave this.
Beautiful.
We're populating the options, but there's no actual options yet, so. We're not using the grass sit action.
I put them all into one file because I think people were confused.
No, that's
Like
fine.
that aren't used to C# or whatever. Oh, it's nice for it to be single file by default.
I don't actually know I don't know how I'm supposed to structure these sorts of project.
I mean, you can structure. I feel like it's because so in .NET, so you know how in Java, like people have like 20 nested packages.
Mm-hmm.
That people like .NET is generally way less nesting. Like it's like 2 nesting levels at most. So like I
Okay.
have tinylife.world and tinylife.objects, but I don't have like tinylife.objects.people or whatever. Because that's like a big amount of nesting. I don't know. It's weird.
Okay. So I guess hold on. I'm gonna make a text document right here. File to do roadmap, maybe roadmap.txt.
Not even Markdown.
What we don't need markdown. Where we're going, we don't need markdown.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so primary directive, big top item.
See, if you did Markdown, you could make this bold now, because it's it's the primary directive.
Fuck you. Hold on. There we go. Be able to draw things and have them be shared. My current plan for that is to add a drawing UI, add a button to export to Blue Sky, and then on that button,
Profit.
yeah, on that button, it's going to convert the image to base 64.
But also, you don't see the image on the Blue Sky Blue Sky.
Unfortunately, no, because that would require a lot more effort.
Okay.
What I might do is make a bot that replies to those with the actual image.
Yeah.
So to make converting it to base 64 and fitting it within fucking, what do we call Blue Sky posts?
Tweet.
A blue bee. To make it fit in a blue bee, we're going to limit the palette.
Oh, right, yeah, that makes sense.
We're going to limit the size. So what I'm probably going to do
It's gonna
is...
be 1 by 1 pixel.
What I'm probably going to do is have it be a 16 by 16 with 4 colors.
Wait, but how does it work for, like, the isometric?
That's
16
what...
by 16.
That's another challenge here, is rendering it in the world.
Are you gonna, like, transform it in the world? Like,
yes.
Are you gonna make it... Oh, okay.
It's going to be a dynamic render and transformed. Yeah, people draw it flat, and it's going to get transformed and displayed in the world.
Yeah.
What I'll probably do is just do nearest neighbor downsampling to maybe like a 4x4 or an 8x8, and then render slightly off res into the world. Oh, actually, you know what would probably be better than 16 by 16 is 16 by 10. Or 16 by 9 by 16.
Right.
So probably 10 by 16. Okay. I think that's roughly the direction, so I just have to figure out what to actually make first. There's probably going to be 2 furnitures. One's going to be the easel you can draw stuff on, and one's going to be the easel that renders the stuff. And then I want to add a map eventually. That's just a small map that contains a museum you can go to that's got all, like, that's got recent works. How, is there an easy way for mods to add maps?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So map with the museum, and then easel where you can draw. I'm skipping past Deliver Us. I don't really want to listen to the Prince of Egypt original soundtrack.
This is such a weird playlist.
It's not. I didn't make it. It's one of YouTube's auto playlists. I just started playing Enya.
Yeah.
Now it's Clannad, I Will Find You. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna play something else. Anybody have any songs they like?
Oh my god. I would get so distracted if I had lyrics in the background while I'm programming. I don't know. I just can't do that.
Okay, fine. I'm putting on Pokemon Lo-Fi again.
I mean, I don't hear it. You can do lyrics.
Okay, I clicked Pokemon Lo-Fi.
Yeah, that sounds good though.
Yo, I got Peeper. I wish I could just drag stuff onto the extant studio view. Like, look, I see this Peeper in the background. I
Aww.
love her. Okay, so I actually have to start coding at some point.
Right.
Fuck, I wish I didn't remove all the furniture stuff. Because now I want to add furniture.
You can just go to the example mod on GitHub.
What? There's an example mod on GitHub? Sorry.
So stupid.
Example mod.cs. Let's add game content. Furniture type.register. Let's just copy this.
Great.
For now, it's just going to be the easel. Oh, hold on. I don't have the example table. I need to get the example table.
I mean, do you? Oh, right, because it has to store the painting, I guess. Wait, is the painting going to be like an object on the easel, or is it just going to be the easel's going to store the current painting?
Oh, I don't know actually if it'll store it. I just assumed that they were going to do the painting in one shot and then click
Right.
the share or save button.
Wait, does
And-
the, so like, if you paint, I'm curious about the mechanics. If you paint the paint, obviously it's you doing the painting, like the player, right?
Yeah.
'Cause you decide the pics. But like, do you like put a preset and then the tiny actually goes to paint, or is it like entirely a player action and not a tiny action?
I figured the tiny action would just be walking to the painting and then maybe getting a reward for having done it,
Okay.
like in terms of mood. But
Yeah.
it was mostly a player action.
Okay, that makes sense.
How do I add class or interface? Fuck, how do I... What? Oh, I have to actually type...
Yeah.
I have to type in a name.
This
That's
is the
important.
same UI as in IntelliJ, by the way. I need you to know that.
No, I understand that, but I've been using code for all my C# development for the longest time.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Oh, because I named the namespace furniture.
Yeah, it's not a good idea
broken.
to name. Yeah. That's a bit silly. Also, wait. Your project is still called Example Mod.
How do I change that?
You can shift F6 on the
Wow, you saw that really
and then
fast.
also rename. Oh, you forgot to rename the root namespace. Yeah, because oh god, go into the go to the example mod. Oh yeah, you can do that too, I guess. You can also go and press F4, and then you can
I fucked this whole thing up.
yeah, you can press F4 on the example mod heading.
I'm doing it and it's doing nothing.
Oh, well that's weird. Go to click on solution and switch to file.
What the fuck's
system or
happening?
whatever.
Help.
Well, that wasn't me. Go to. Oh my god. Switch
Oh,
to the
no.
files mode. Please.
How do I do that?
You go on the little drop down arrow where it says solution.
Files, there we go. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Because now you can F4 on the example mod, or sorry, tinyloof.cs proj. Or just double click, obviously. And then
I
you
hit
can
F4.
Remove the root namespace. It's at the top.
Oh, remove it?
Mm-hmm.
Not just change it to...
It defaults to the project name.
Okay. Now if I go back to solution, will it... No, it's still fucked. I'll just stay in files for now.
That's so weird. I think the... Wait. Go into... Wait. Yeah, I have no idea. That's weird. The namespace there is now wrong still.
Oh.
Yeah.
It is actually just wrong.
And now it should work.
And
you
now I
can
can
start
remove
with
furniture. And now I just have to not use any... Oh, no, they're all under map objects. Oh, thank God. Hey, there we go. I'm so talented. I did this all on my own.
I hate that you. I know this. I shouldn't say this as a C# developer, but I hate that you have the default formatting set to like the braces on the new line. I think it looks so bad.
Oh no, I hate it too.
I hate it so much. But I know it's like the standard.
you published code that's got that, so I figured that you were on board with it.
Wait, no. I don't publish code that has it on the new line.
Do you not? Hold on.
No.
Oh no, you don't. Yeah, I'm a Java dev, so I'm very used to that.
I think it's such a waste of a line. Yeah,
I think technically it's better for Git, but
no.
I don't care.
Yeah, I don't know. Me neither.
Like, oh no, my diff has an extra line in it, or actually no, it doesn't even. What's so wrong with an example table? Let's remove these comments. Comments are for the week.
Right. You're about to be like, I can't believe I deleted that. I needed it.
Where'd the comments go? I was going to use those.
Why is the eye on icon not...
I don't know. Don't ask me.
What's going on?
That one's not my fault.
That's changing, by the way, in the next update. You don't need to set an icon anymore because it automatically like infers it from the name.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, because I changed all the items from sets in the game to also use the mod name formatting, like to have the set name in front. So then I don't have to set the icons anymore.
You know what? Oh, fuck! I need to re-add a custom furniture atlas. Hold on.
All right, you were like, it won't have. What weren't you like? It won't have any furniture.
Yeah, I was, and then turns
happened?
out I was lying.
Yeah. Oh my God, there's like a thunderstorm happening.
I hope my power doesn't go out.
Because there's a thunderstorm happening for me.
Uh-huh. What if it does some Looney Tunes shit where it strikes your computer and then the electricity goes
along the wire,
goes through your microphone and through the wire and comes out at me.
Yeah. Out
right
of
through
you,
my headphone.
not out into to you.
I said out to me, and it goes
out of me.
It goes out of me. It goes right out of my headphones and into my brain.
Yeah.
I would be so sad.
Is that the reaction you would have? Like the electricity would make you sad?
I would literally cry. Okay. Oh no. Why does it only have up?
Because it's a square, like it's a square table.
Damn.
Well,
the easel's not going to be square.
Well,
hold on. Let's get rid of all this. Maybe not UI textures. I'm probably going to want those.
Yeah.
Hold on. No, actually, very important.
Change the icon.
Got to change the icon. Files. Oh wait, hold on. We got an XCF file. Use the XCF. GIMP.
Do you not use Asprite for?
I just got Asprite for the first time in my life.
Oh my God.
Big.
Wait, you're just scaling it down.
Don't worry, it's good. It's good. It's great.
Oh no.
Hey, that's fine, honestly.
Yeah, I love how you kept the E behind. What the
Why
fuck?
Why is it a whole grate? What
Grape?
grape?
A whole grate.
It's a whole grape. Oh,
What the fuck? Why is there a shadow now?
Why is the shadow the only... Oh wait, hold on.
I don't understand. Is this what GIMP is always like?
One of these layers is the shadow layer
Why?
because I made a shadow layer. Well, let's remove the E. E removed. Oh, it's the no. It's not. It's not one of the layers. Is the shadow layer. It's I put an effect on the drop shadow. There we go.
That's great.
And a little bit of cleanup here. What? That is a not a full opacity layer. I see. That looks fine. Good enough for me.
Yeah, you're just leaving the sun.
I mean, I don't need that spot for anything yet, so sure.
I mean, that's fair.
Writer, tiny leaf. Look at that. Now let's observe the beauty.
I'm excited for the beauty.
The beauty.
I kind of want it to crash.
And this might crash because I fucked with the atlas
Yeah.
and didn't actually. Yeah.
Yeah.
Asset custom furniture not. Wait, what do you mean asset custom furniture not found? I didn't even remove it.
It's called example mod though.
Oh.
In the folder. And your mod's not called example mod anymore.
You ever crash the game because you forget to rename a folder? Couldn't be me.
Constantly.
Oh my god, it crashed again. Why did it crash this
crashed.
time? Asset custom furniture not found?
Well, now I don't know anymore either.
Huh?
Extracted content example mod. It's still one. Wait. Extracted tiny content example mod. Wait. Why would it be example mod?
I'm gonna control
Wait,
F
do
for
the clean. Oh, wait, do clean, because I probably still has the example mod like files built in the game folder. No, not clean there. I mean, you can do that too, but I mean it's like .NET Cake Target clean or whatever. It deletes the mod folder. You need to do Target switch. Yeah.
I forgot. I haven't used this in a second. Now all my mods are gone.
I think it only deletes the dev folder.
Itty has been deleted.
I think it only deletes the dev folder from the mods folder.
I'm going to cry.
It still crashes.
Asset custom furniture not found.
.json? The fuck? Wait, was it trying? Fair, tiny life.
No, there's not a custom furniture.json in that. Hold on.
Well, they're not supposed to be. It just lists all the files that it tried. But they're not helpful.
Oh, I see. Yeah. I said custom furniture. Oh, wait, hold on. Did I put this in the wrong place?
Oh, wait. Do you have the... Wait. Go into the CS Proj.
It's always the fucking CS Proj.
Because I feel like you might have not set the...
No, I've got content.
No, it is content, yeah. I thought it might say the name of the example mod there again.
Ooh, my back. It's not like that doesn't have a lock on it or something, does it?
Maybe. But also, isn't this the furniture texture being an issue?
Why did it launch on that monitor?
I like don't understand. I'm gonna look at the example mod.
Oh yeah, duh.
Custom furniture. Content example mod. Custom furniture.atlas. I feel like it's about to be something really obvious that we just both see.
That tends to be what it is.
Yeah. Wait, can you go into the mods folder, like in the game folder?
Hold on. Yeah, I can. I'm gonna do that in another window because I have to navigate
Yeah.
there from app Steam. Fucking where's my Steam?
No, it's not in
Fuck it.
Steam. It's in local. It's like in user share or whatever on Linux. Wait,
Uh,
I have it on the Tiny Life documentation site where it is.
I
It's
know, but
in.
is there just a
It's in home.local share Tiny Life.
local share Tiny Life? Share Tiny Life, not share/Tiny Life. Share Tiny Life.
It's not in share Tiny Life.
It is in share Tiny Life.
Wait, is it? That's strange.
I don't think that's intended.
That's really weird.
Oh, that might be my fault
Oh,
from another one
the
of my
fuck?
mods. That might have been while I was fucking with shit.
Maybe. I check extracted. No, because that's just a zip. I mean, you can check that too, but
I'm looking at the Steam thumbnail.
well, you're meant to be looking at the Atlas file.
It's got the custom furniture atlas.
Yeah, and the ping.
Wait. Tiny Louvre? Yeah, custom furniture atlas.
Huh. Well, that's weird.
Indeed.
Wait, go back into the mod and scroll down again.
Hold on. Can I control shift in on this? I cannot. That just makes a new folder. I should leave this open.
I'm very confused.
Where am I going?
Doing the custom furniture texture. You can always just delete the extracted and dev and try again.
Yeah,
I mean,
you
that's
know
what
what?
clean should do, so it should have already happened, but you know.
Options. I'm deleting the options. Just because why not? No more options. Okay, so it saves your mod options in the options in the mod folder. That makes sense. That's cool.
Yeah.
Damn.
I'm so confused.
I'm just gonna start deleting stuff.
Is that your solution? So what's UI texture.xcf?
That's the git. That's the GIMP file. Don't worry about it.
What does it stand for?
Which
Hell
if I know.
For GIMP?
All of them.
I'm so confused.
Same. I'm always confused though, so that's not unusual for me.
I assume you spelled it right, correct? Yeah, it looks right.
I'm just gonna double check by doing oh, hold on. This.
Wait, what's the actual... Wait, show me the error message again, because I'm realizing now that you already added the easel, so maybe it's about that.
Asset custom furniture not found.
Why the fuck? .local share, Tiny Life mod extracted, Tiny Life content, Tiny Life mod.
I'm not
Tiny
supposed
Life
to...
mod. You check the mod ID is Tiny Life mod.
Oh my
It
fucking
is
god.
something stupid.
Oh my god.
Because it takes the name of the class, which is Tiny Life mod.
There we go.
That's so stupid. Oh my god.
Yeah.
I told you.
You're voting for Deej? I'm running for president in the 2036. This statement is legally binding. Blur for president 2036. Also, hey, Ellpeck.
2036.
Damn. Oh. Oh no.
Oh no. What did you do?
Object reference not set to an instance of an object. I didn't set the
Icon?
icon apparently.
Oh, because you don't load the UI texture anymore. You deleted that part.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Earlier.
I wonder why the UI texture isn't loaded.
I love how the eye of the icon is still white. I don't know why that happens.
It's just don't worry about that. Wait, what icon is still white? I would never be white.
We talked about this stuff. Syntax highlighting on that icon is still broken for some reason.
Oh yeah.
It's not your fault.
I think it's whenever you remove this dot from in front of something, Ryder doesn't like that.
That's weird. Yeah, because I do this dot even though it's obviously not necessary, but I don't know. I just like it.
Yeah, no, I used to. I don't know when I switched over. Oh, it also failed to load here. That makes sense because I did some. I'm gonna start reporting all these issues. Yeah.
No. Oh yeah, errored. It does say.
Try to register furniture type with the easel that didn't start with the mod's ID followed by a dot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The mod ID is TinyLouv mod.
Yeah. No. I know.
Why is it? Just change it to not have mod in the name.
Because the thing was called example mod, and my brain was like, oh yeah, example mod.
I mean, yeah. I mean, the icon looks good though.
Oh, look at
it. It looks like its legs. It looks like legs.
Look at her little legs.
I need you to know, Brief Hobo, that I cannot run for president in the U.S. Because one, I think I'm too young. Because you have to be old, right, to run for
You have
president.
to be 35.
And I'm not remote. I'm not a citizen at all.
We'll
I think you need to be that, right?
We'll change the rules just for you. Okay, I'm changing everything to TinyLouv.
That's good. That's such a good name.
Ellpeck is my favorite, and you can tell that because I never talk to Ellpeck. Oh. Well, Tiny... Oh, hold on. Done it. Cake clean.
Target ruin?
No, it's just this run.
No, but you typed ruin and then fixed it.
Oh, target ruin.
It still broke.
I'm so good at modding. Unable to add game content for mod with TinyLouv.
Yeah.
Oh, unable to find texture easel up.
Sense.
I see. Yeah, then that makes sense. Should I actually just change these to easel?
I mean, that works. It's just a table-shaped easel. No, you don't need to change that.
Oh wait. Oh, duh. That's not. It's the atlas that cares.
Yeah.
Sorry, it's like I said. I even
the
my
atlas
mods
that cares.
Atlas, you know,
That's
you'd
a
think
deep shit.
you'd think you wouldn't because he shrugged, but that motherfucker cares. God, Ayn Rand was a fucking mistake.
President in 2040. Wait, do you have to like stay? But how do you become a citizen of the U.S.?
No,
You have to live there? I
Ellpeck
assume so,
or
right?
Hobo, that's not true. You have to be a natural born citizen specifically to run for president. You can run for a lot of other things without
Are you
being...
serious?
Yeah, no, you have to be born in the U.S.
What?
Yeah.
That's so stupid. That's amazing.
You don't for a lot of positions you don't have to be. I think there was a specific naturalization exception for people who were born before the US existed, but I don't think you were.
Well,
So.
that means Elon Musk can't become president though. That's good.
Yeah. No, at least we got that going for us.
I did not know that was a thing, but that that I feel like that's I should have expected that.
Here.
But also, I don't know how to become. I'm gonna Google this. I hope this is fine for content for your stream. How to become the Dark Lord? No.
How to become
An
God.
actor? No. A pro cyclist? What are these suggestions?
It's
A
really
US
easy to become an
citizen.
actor. All you have to do is turn on a camera. Now, a professional actor, that's a different story.
Yeah, how do you become a
Look at
pro
that.
cyclist, though?
I did it. We made Tiny Louvre. It exists
That's
now.
it's the legs. I cannot unsee that now.
Okay, for the icon, I think I am. I hate to fixate on the icon. That's a lie. I love to fixate on the icon.
Wait, it says become a U.S. citizen through naturalization. Naturalization is the process of voluntarily becoming a United States citizen. Are there options of like non-voluntarily becoming a United States citizen?
Yeah, most people are involuntary U.S. citizens
Yeah,
because
but being
you
born,
don't
you can't do that
choose.
after the fact.
Yeah, you can't choose to be born as a U.S. citizen though. So
Yeah, but this sounds like there's ways that you could be forced that
there
are
are
like based on after you read a website.
no, there are also forced naturalization options technically, but you usually won't see those because it's usually legal recourse for like what's the word,
Oh my
deported
God,
citizens or
I have
deported
to be
former
of good
citizens.
moral character. Do you reckon I'm of good moral character?
Sure.
Oh my God, there's a 10-step program to becoming a citizen. Determine if you are already a U.S. citizen is the first step.
No, that see, you think that's funny, but no, there are a lot of people who just are citizens and don't know it.
Well, how? From your
Uh,
parents after birth? Yeah, but that
usually,
would say in your
us-
birth documents, right?
usually because you're born in the U.S. and then you move out of the U.S. But
Wouldn't
whenever
that
you're
say in your
young,
birth certificate?
yeah, but a lot of people don't have their birth certificate or don't know stuff.
I mean, yeah, that makes sense. Pay your fees. How much does it cost to become a citizen?
I have
Dude,
to
this
make
sounds
sure
too
that this
complicated. I'm
icon
sorry. Brief. This doesn't sound brief enough. There's like a BuzzFeed quiz on the website that tells you if you're eligible to become a U.S. citizen.
There we go. Now you can actually now it looks more like an easel and less like
Oh yeah, that's
less
good.
like she has legs, little
loved the
tiny
legs, though.
stick legs. It was great, but that was an important thing to get done. Very important.
I feel like I'm gonna not be eligible because I've just pressed no on "Are you a lawful permanent resident?" and I feel like that's probably a requirement. Sorry, brief. It says I may not be eligible.
What do you mean?
I've also never
encoding
been to
a
the
remote?
U.S.
God, why would you want to come to the U.S.? Like honestly,
I don't know. I don't plan on it.
I'm gonna go to fucking Spain. I'm gonna live in Spain.
Were you really gonna live in Spain?
No.
Oh.
I would like to live somewhere other than the U.S. maybe. If
Yeah, but don't live in a place that you can't
if
like
shit
speak
keeps
English in.
spiraling. Hablamos español. Mi español es mal. But I do speak a little. I speak enough to say hey and order food.
Do you have Spanish in school? Is that how you know Spanish?
No, I know people who speak Spanish, and I try to learn a little bit because I have traveled to Spanish-speaking countries.
Oh, that's fair. 'Cause
I
don't know
try.
any Spanish.
I like to be at least basically conversational when I go a place because otherwise it feels like I'm being an asshole and like expecting everybody to speak my language.
I feel like people that come from English speaking countries have this more because when I go to a different country, I just speak English there, right? And they do too. Like obviously not everyone does speak English well there, but like that's the language of choice. And I don't feel like an asshole then because it's also not my native language, right? So like
Sorry, didn't mean to interrupt.
that's fine. So like it doesn't feel like I'm being like, "I'll speak my language" because it's also not my language. It's just the language we both chose to use.
I need to add a custom action.
Yeah.
For painting.
You just, like opening you idiot, just copying the action.
No. Why would you think that? Oh shit.
I mean, example mod has a custom action.
Yeah, why would you think I would ever use the example mod for custom action?
Oh, you are. I legit thought you were gonna use itty.
Oh, that's a good point. I forgot I have mods.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Why is 2 point wrong?
Uh, Possibly impure struct method called on read-only variable.
I legit have no idea what that means.
That means that you've called a method that could have a side effect on something that's supposed to be immutable.
Right.
Which,
Oh, because this is no. This makes sense. This is
because
because
it's part of the functional, it's part of
yeah.
the
It's
functional
also just
API.
because the 2 point like the this is a monogame method and it doesn't. Nowadays you can do read only methods on structs, so that it knows that it doesn't mutate the struct, and that's monogame is too like it doesn't support that because it's old.
Mm. I'm probably eventually gonna make something with monogame and maybe Mlem, but I've been having fun with love recently.
Yeah.
Love's fun. I I kind of don't love Lua,
I love how
but
you're not specifying that you're just saying love,
sorry.
like you mean love. I mean, obviously I
It's
know, but like
it's that this
streaming.
love. Um,
Yeah, which is just love misspelled.
yeah, love, love,
I feel like it used to be called Love 2D, right?
love 2D. No, there's
Like it's
love.
the
So
website,
I
but I
think
feel
it.
like that's.
I think it
I feel like
used
that
to be
used to also
called.
be the name.
I think it used to be called love, and now it's love 2D.
No,
Right? I
it
don't
says
know.
love on the website. I feel like
Yeah,
one of them happened though. I feel like one like it changed somehow.
maybe. What was
It
I
looks cool
doing?
though.
Oh yeah, I was making an action.
Yeah.
Add directory actions. Oh, hold on. Is there a simple action or should I do a
Wait,
multi-action?
yeah,
Or
because if you want to go there, then it's a multi-action.
okay.
Just action is the simple action, but like it doesn't allow you to have substeps.
Uh, I should probably do a create first action, right?
Yeah. You also don't need the constructor without an action type if you're not gonna like have a typeless action, which I don't think you need.
It just does that automatically. This is so ugly for an empty method.
Yeah, well that's the default in writer, I guess.
Honestly, you shouldn't even need brackets for an empty
You should be
base
able to do a
extension.
semicolon, I think.
Oh, can you?
No, you can't, but you should.
Oh, see,
You can
I
do
guess
a semicolon for like a record.
I'm gonna be my bold take maybe is that I really like languages that just don't require you to be verbose. I know that like intentionality and like deliberate design is a huge thing right now,
Yeah.
but I just like whenever it just lets you write shit and it works. It's
Are
nice.
you a big fan of JavaScript? Is that what you're saying?
JavaScript works.
Mm,
I don't love JavaScript, no, but I don't love JavaScript mostly because the ecosystem is so bloated. It's just
it is.
horrid to work on anything in JavaScript. I like I was saying, I don't love Lua, but it's very comfortable. It's very cozy because it just there's shit there and you could just use it. And if you don't want to, you just don't have to worry about it.
I'm like
It's
looking
very
at Love
it's
2D
very
right now.
small too. And I mean, I'm a bit biased. I've been working in Lua for I don't remember more than a decade, a long time.
I have never used Lua except for the one like Sprite script that I made to populate the data texture atlases more easily.
And then is completed is not implemented. Ooh, that's a good point. I should
Yeah.
implement unimplemented missing members, not unimplemented methods.
Beautiful.
Is there a go here action? That's probably what I'm going to use, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't want to throw.
Throw an action.
fuck you. Go here. To action type. Go here. Yeah. Oh, I'm so smart. And I'm definitely not copying off the example mod right now.
Oh, right.
After I realized that I could, I definitely didn't
This isn't
click
even
over.
really technically correct for an object that you go to, because now your tiny's gonna try to go into to go to the place that the object is occupying, and it won't work.
Okay, what do I do then? Do I do
You
like
need to-
object dot in front of?
Yeah, the action info has a method called like to free object spot or something.
Oh, to free action spot. There we go.
Yeah, and then you have to like
And
check
then I'll
if
put
it's
a-
non-null.
Yeah, I'll put a
Yeah, and then
Yeah,
it works.
fine.
Like then it's good.
dot. Yeah, is there not? Oh, duh. Is that not a null? That's a null coalesce. Okay.
Yeah.
And then it's completed. I'll just copy this too.
Is it the time one? I assume.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Ooh, there we go. Beautiful action.
10 minutes of
Probably.
painting.
Yeah, 10 minutes of painting. Well, I guess I really don't want this to last a long time, because I want it to basically. I guess I should pause the game while the UI is up.
Yeah.
Okay. And then what's the best way to bring the UI up? I probably want to. Should I do it whenever they? I should probably do it after they get there. So I want to do, and then on update.
Yeah, you can do it on update, or and then initialize, which is just called on the first update.
Oh, it's called after the first update. Oh, that's beautiful. That's exactly what I want.
Yeah, it's called before the first update, but yeah.
Before the. Yeah, so after the first action.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Or after the first actions, I guess. Go, and then. What the fuck just happened? Whenever I started typing that. Whenever I started type.
No, that's a current writer bug where sometimes it'll jump to a different point in the file. It's really weird. It's legit just a writer bug that, like, for some reason, it when it auto-completes, sometimes it'll just move to somewhere else. It's bizarre.
It's just.
I don't think you need any of the default can execute.
Well, I want to make sure that it's actually an easel, right?
Yeah, but that's not a tile though.
Oh, duh.
You can also just do. I mean, you can add an object category, which is also a way to do it, but you can also just check for if it's the easel that you registered.
Action object, probably. Oh,
Yeah.
fucking why? And then.
I mean, do it like the type easel, and then just leave it. It's not.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. I was just trying to remember all my shit.
Yeah.
I was remembering what I named stuff that I made a few seconds ago.
No, that makes sense. You also don't need the inbounds check, by the way. I don't know. Yeah.
Okay.
Because you're not the inbounds check is just because the default action checks a tile in the world. And
Actually, this will probably just
bounds.
do all that reformatting for me. There we go. What's fun called? Entertainment. Passive priority. That is a 0. See, that time it didn't do that. Oh well, whatever. It removed the point for me, and I didn't remove the point though, so maybe that's the difference.
I don't know.
Yeah, sure, and this will have the sun icon. And I probably want to make it so you can actually put down the easel, right?
Well, if you have the easel, it should just be in the store.
Okay.
In the
Yeah, I'll take it.
I mean, it has the object category table, which I feel is
Sorry.
incorrect.
I love going home at the end of the day and emptying my pockets because so many people just give me $1. I feel like stripper.
Why
Good
do
for
people
you.
give you $1?
I assume Hobo receives tips.
Just a single dollar?
I mean, I
What is
assume
the
that
price
was.
that they pay?
Man, I will say I miss working at a coffee shop because it fucking made me feel good going home with like a ton of tips. Not even because of the money, but just because it's like people cared enough to give me a tip. That's so sweet.
Yeah.
I know it's polite, but it's also very kind.
Tipping culture is very different here. I think mainly because service workers here get minimum wage.
Oh yeah, no,
And it's, like, a
100%.
reasonable amount.
I don't think. Granted, I got actual minimum wage there, but I don't think. Oh, it is here.
But I think U.S. minimum wage is like not like you can't live off.
Oh no,
that, right?
no. U.S. minimum wage is entirely unlivable on.
Yeah.
What category
And
is this?
here,
in?
like you tip in restaurants. I don't think people don't tip in a coffee shop. I don't think.
Is there a default
If they have
category?
a
Is it
server
just
that comes
under-
to their table, they would, I think, but not like if you order on like at a thing, at a counter.
Hmm.
Is your thing not there?
I don't. Where is it? Hold on. It's probably.
It's right there. It looks like a table.
It's,
right
it
there.
looks like a table. Where?
It has a green icon. Like a green dot because it's new. It's next to
Oh,
the
here
other
we go.
tables.
Buildmode.tinylouv.easel. Beautiful.
There you go. It's beautiful. It's a table.
Like there's no object, no interaction object here.
Well,
No interaction.
that's a shame. Can you show the code? Because you probably did something.
Null
horribly
reference
wrong.
example. Object reference not set to an instance. Oh, that's itty. That's a different thing.
That's 80s broken actually.
Yeah. Well, it does that sometimes whenever it loads in and there's it's specifically whenever it loads in old data from before it
Right.
started caching.
And you haven't tried to fix it. You just know that it's a bug.
No, I'm it's on my to-do list.
Okay.
But like, so before it started caching people's names and icons, it did this, and it still does
Yeah.
that, but it outputs it to the log. It handles it gracefully, but it also outputs it to the log because I was debugging it and I forgot to turn that off.
That makes sense.
Fuck! It did it with a new thing. Oh my god, that's an actual bug.
Oh no.
Watched a Wasp movie with Jamie
no,
Waffle the other
Wasp
day.
Movie.
I feel like in another timeline it might have been better.
That's a good joke though. I like that.
Anyone know Bean?
It's Bean Buffelman, right?
It's
Yeah.
Bean Buffleman.
Yeah, I know the character names.
Sorry, that's Bean Buffleman.
Well, yeah, but they're called Buffelman.
I know, but I truncate the usernames because it's more
Yeah.
fun, and also because it fits in the UI.
But also, do you maybe want to try fixing the easel or no?
Oh yeah, the easel. Game content, tiny leaf paint. Object category. That's it.
Yeah, they need to have. Yeah, no.
Oh, object category dot easel.
Well, yeah, but that's the default easel.
That's the default easel. Fuck.
Yeah. Did you just think there was just one for you?
I thought that it, in my brain I was like, oh yes, I'm referencing my object that I created, my little class over
Right.
here, and then I was like, wait, no, this is an object category. I'm being
Yeah.
an
Well, that
actual
would work,
dingus.
but you can also just set it to, like, oh, well, what would you set it to? I don't know. Misc thing, I guess. Is there a misc thing category? I mean, you can also just set it to easel, but I don't know if that'll break the default painting actions.
I'm just gonna make it No, maybe not a table because I don't want things to be put on it. Art piece, sure. No, that's used.
No, do
Child
nothing.
stove.
But then wait, I can genuinely cannot remember if you can execute actions on a nothing object.
Is there not just like a this is a purely decorative object thing?
Yeah, nothing. But then you can't execute actions on nothing. I should add an object category that is like misc. I'm writing this down.
I'll just make it a table.
Misc object category that can be used for objects that have action. I mean, you can also just add an object category.
Never. I would never add an object category. That would be destroying the creator's original vision for the game. And there's no way I could know. There's no way I could know what that vision is. So
Add an object category. That's what?
Sorry. I'm a little. Yeah, actions.tinylube.paint. Let's go.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Actions. tinylube.paint. Maybe I should remove Itty.
I mean, maybe.
And there's the sun icon. I should replace. Oh, there's a door here. I thought he was walking through the walls for a second. Branch.
Are you making fun of branch?
I'm making fun of branch. Okay,
Is that
so
how you pronounce it?
the action
Is this
works.
actually your name?
What?
Is that a human name? Because I feel like this is a household created by one of the community members.
I do
And I
not
think they just
recognize
made up-
branch as an actual name. I think
But
it looks like
I would have
orange.
pronounced it branch, so I was curious because you
Branch.
said branch, which I feel like
No.
sounds more like a name.
Branga.
Brongy.
Brongy. Okay, I'm gonna get sidetracked for a second.
Why?
Because I'm gonna show off this.
Weighty?
Itty's localization files.
Right.
It's
They're
different.
Yeah.
It's a whole different system. I'm a little proud of that, but I never get to talk about it. It's
very
just this is
cool.
just a small digression, but
Why is it? Why is there sponsored?
what do
It
you
just
mean?
has nothing in it at the bottom.
Oh,
What
that
were you
is
planning?
that is a placeholder category that's not technically unused. If you add stuff to it, it does get used.
Right.
But currently it has nothing in it. The idea is that you can put a bunch of fake ads and they will appear on your Itty timeline.
Oh my god, that's so good.
But
As if they were fake posts, but they're ads.
as if they were ad posts.
That's amazing. You need to advertise. It will be so funny if you advertise because there's some fake brands in the game that make furniture and stuff. It would be so funny if you made ads for those.
Maybe.
That'd be so good.
It's something I don't love the current implementation. I wanted to improve it before I actually used it for anything. But because currently it basically is just random posts that just have no icon and says sponsored.
Yeah.
And I don't love that.
No, that makes sense.
But this has got the whole trick system and everything. So basically all you have to do to add a bunch of new stuff is just to update the localization files. And that's actually how I've been
Very cool.
I've been treating my Minecraft stuff too. I've made an extension of the localization files that lets you do that for item descriptions and stuff.
Yeah.
But that's my digression.
Cool,
let's get back to it. Okay. So now I have two options. I can actually start on the mod part of the mod and start working on UI stuff, or I can do my icon for the paint action.
I mean, you don't need an icon technically, because usually it just puts the object that you're working on as the
I should try opening this in Aseprite, but Aseprite's on Steam. I don't want to launch Steam.
You don't want to watch Steam?
I don't want to launch Steam.
Oh.
You know what?
Maybe.
You do? Damn. Can I launch Aseprite without launching Steam? Yeah, fucking I'm launching Steam.
Usually, yeah, though.
Okay. Oh, there it is. Okay. Let's. This is my first time ever using this.
Oh my god, that's gonna be so annoying.
Why would learning a new program on stream ever be annoying?
Right.
Can I just drag
Especially
files onto
Aseprite,
it?
which has kind of weird controls if you aren't used to them.
I can just drag files onto it. That's beautiful. Okay, is there an erase? There's a transparent. There we go. This is quite nice, actually.
Yeah.
It feels very custom, tailor-made to pixel art, which I appreciate because I've been using a bunch of programs lately that aren't.
I mean,
My-
it is
the one-
tailor-made to pixel art.
The one thing I miss about Windows is Paint.net. Genuinely.
Right.
Not
I hadn't
not
even
Paint-
thought of that because
not
I
Paint,
use
but
Paint.net all the time.
Yeah. Paint.net's great. Genuinely one of the best, if not the best.
I mean, it's .net. They should be able to port it now to Linux.
So
I'm just saying.
yeah. So they explicitly won't. And
Why?
not only that, but you can't run it using Proton or Wine.
Why?
On Linux.
Why?
It'll give you an error that says you have to run this on Windows 11, and then whenever you update your Wine settings to pretend it's Windows 11, it'll say, I don't think so, buddy. Nice
Why?
try.
That's so weird.
It is downright goofy. Okay,
That's
so
really strange.
Alt click is the picker. Paintbrush time. Oh, look at this great paintbrush. This ass. There is a
Is this
line tool.
paintbrush?
I'm just trying to make something. It's not going to be good. I'm not a particularly talented artist.
Right. I mean, same, to be honest. That actually looks really cool.
Thanks.
I was like doing something else, and then I looked over, and you had like a full paintbrush going.
I don't know if I love it, but
think
always
it's
time to work on it later. Now I gotta see it in game, and then I'll start on the UI stuff if I
Yay.
have to.
Why do you not like UI stuff?
I
So
generally I generally just actually genuinely do not like working on UI. It's
I mean, that's fair.
it's my least favorite thing to do in Minecraft mod dev too. That's why I keep
But
making
Minecraft
systems.
UI is like so bad.
Oh god, Minecraft's UI is ass. I will say, breath of fucking fresh air working with Blim system. Like,
I'm glad.
you can just stick stuff down and it works more or less.
Yeah, that's the yeah, that was the point.
I appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, benevolent Mlimster.
Object for object. What the fuck am I saying? An object category for object without special properties. Okay.
Make a masterpiece, and look, there's a little. Look at that. Wow.
That's cute.
Thanks,
Looks
Branch.
a bit like a torch, but.
Yeah, it's a thing I could work on later. But yeah, you could. Long-time Blur Tiny Life mod fans will know that I suck at pixel art because I made Westlife and all the pixel art in that mod sucks.
I have not actually looked at Westlife, but the froggy chair art is cute.
The froggy chair, I'm proud of the froggy chair. That took me like actual hours. Fun fact. Hey, even if you're bad at art, if you put in enough time for it, you can usually make something pretty decent. I think is the takeaway there.
Also, by the way, no one has done this yet, but I'm remembering now that you can also specify, because you can specify the issue tracker URL for the mod, which you've done. But you can also specify a website URL and a donation URL now.
Damn,
which will also like appear as buttons on the thing.
Sure, hold on. I'm gonna call my shot. No, hold on. I can just do site. Okay, what's the?
No, it's right there. It's called website URL. It was just there.
Oh, see, it was grayed out, so my brain just ignored it.
Oh. I bet. Did it paste that? Because that's not right. It needs a. Did it paste? Did it put that?
Oh, those are actual. I thought those were.
Yeah, but also it's missing the word string. Like, this is not correct.
Ryder, why do you do this to me?
Did you like have? Do you have like the weird AI? Because there's local AI autocompletion now. That's awful.
Oh God, I hope not.
Like, you can
How do I turn that off?
Turn that off somewhere. It's in settings, and then you do. There's inline completion in editor general.
Editor. Okay, hold on.
Yeah, it's not called AI. That would be useful.
That would be too useful if it was.
This is in all Japanese IDs, by the way, so you're gonna have to do.
I've already disabled it in IntelliJ.
Yeah, it's a subcategory in general. It's not on the general page.
Okay. General inline completion.
Inline completion, and then there you can disable the enable local full line completion suggestions. But then also, there's like a thing where it sorts the drop down, like where the auto completion idea panel. What's that called? There's an option where it auto sorts that by like an AI thing, and that's also terrible. But I don't know where to put, like, where you would disable that.
I didn't spell that right, but I got it.
Oh yeah, it's code completion. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, based on machine learning, you can disable that one too because it sucks.
You know what? I'll probably put this at blur.gay/projects/mods/ what's my format that I use right now?
I'm looking.
Blur.gay. Just ssblur.com.
Now, why is it ssblur.com?
Because I unified my mods specifically onto one website.
Right.
And I did that before I had blur.gay. So I might change it later.
You could also go to blur.gay manually, but I guess the link just goes to...
Yeah, blur.gay is technically the same site as ssblur.com.
Yeah.
But the links are just all set to ssblur.com, so I'd rather point people to the same place everywhere. tinyleaf.html. That doesn't exist, but it will.
Yay.
I like my website. It's the perfect amount of clunky for me, I think.
I can't believe you have the dirty. I was about to say, I can't believe you have the dirty URLs on. Like, why .html?
Because I
Come
like
on.
it is just HTML files, you know?
Yeah, which is fine, but usually websites don't make you put that.
Well, you don't put the stuff in. You usually just go to ssfleur.com, right?
Well, yeah, I guess so.
Or blur.gay because it's fun to type in .gay.
It is, but someone else stole my .gay, which I'm sad about.
That is quite sad. You can do lpeg.gay.
I was considering doing peck.gay.
Oh no.
That's like double funny.
That's great.
But then I haven't checked. I'm checking now.
Hold on, I'm gonna
It is
open
a premium domain somehow.
I'm gonna open itty in another window so I can look at how I do UI.
It's too expensive. It says it starts at $130 a year,
Actually,
which is already quite a lot.
itty was done before I had any idea how to do anything Mlim. I think I'm not going to copy it.
Oh no.
The itty structure is awful.
Yeah.
I don't even know what to start with. I probably want to start with a base element that is the window, which is probably going to be
Covering group.
A covering group? Yeah.
Yeah, that's what they're for.
Okay, so where's UI?
Okay, I'm gonna be right back, but I'm excited to
Okay.
see your UI.
It will be a while.
I'm excited to see your UI finished when I come back.
Mm-hmm. I have to use my brain so much for these dev streams. It's unfair. Why'd I have to use my brain? Okay.
Are you done yet?
So yeah, I finished. So I probably want to have the color picker for choosing which colors you can use, which 4 colors you're using. I want to have the paintable surface. I want to have the save button and the share button, and that's all I need for the basic version of it.
Yeah. That sounds good.
And then probably a title bar. Okay.
This is actually so much more like organized than the actual game is.
Well, I'm doing it on stream, so.
Yeah, because the game, it has menus.cs.
I like just
almost all of the menus in the game.
I like to split my stuff up because otherwise I end up with what I've currently got with itty, which is components.cs and itty UI, both of which suck.
Right, because the whole point of the way Mlem is set up is that you don't need to like use custom like classes, right?
Yeah. The only reason I'm separating these two out specifically is because these are probably contentful in a big way. The other ones are just going to be buttons,
and then also
so I don't need...
It's nice to have them organized in that way, obviously. But you don't need to do the custom classes, so I never bother. So I don't... Like, the only custom... Like, the only class that extends a UI element in Tiny Life is the covering group. And all of the others are just, like, loose snippets of code.
Okay, and then I can put the buttons and what else was it? I can put the buttons in the color bar in here.
Yeah,
There's not a color picker in the default, is there?
there is not.
Okay. I probably actually want to separate out the color picker too.
That'd be cool though, actually, to have one. But I feel like it's so like based on what the like, because there's so many different types of color pickers. I feel.
Mm-hmm. Well, I've liked. I honestly, I fuck with your reason for not including a color picker in the base game, being like kind of introducing those limitations of having specific color schemes for items is like
Right. Yeah.
it gives you a design challenge and makes for more coherent
Which I
stuff
which
and
is why I
prevents choice
like.
paralysis.
Yeah, which is why I like for this mod that obviously it's a technical restriction, but I like that there's a limited palette.
Yeah.
Like,
I'm
inherently. I think that's cool.
I think that limits, especially in game design, are like I hate to say limits breed creativity because that's a bit of a cliche, but it's true. It really
But they
is.
do, yeah. I mean, it's
Yeah.
not. I don't think it's true for everyone. I like recognize this, but like for me, it's. I've always called this the chisels and bits problem, where if I play a Minecraft mod bag that has chisels and bits in it, I will not build anything because I'll be like, oh my god, if I build something now, it has to like be so pretty because there's chisels and bits in this mod pack, right? Because that's why I have to like use the features of that to make it all intricate and stuff. But like, I just want to build a normal Minecraft thing, and then I just end up not building anything. And that's like the sort of vibe that I get from like, oh, like Sims 3 having the color picker. It's just like too. I don't know. I feel like too much control over that sort of thing is not fun for me, and you know, because I make the game, I want it to be fun for me.
Yeah, fair.
But I also know a lot of people that echo this sort of sentiment, obviously. So like, it's a thing for a lot of people.
A save button, a share button. And the share button will just generate the thing and then post I just made something in Tiny Louvre with the little tag for it.
That's good. How does the posting work? Like,
So it's just going to generate a Blue Sky intent link,
mm-hmm.
which basically just pre-makes a little bluebee and then
Right, and you
opens
said
it
you
opens
press
it in
post
your,
on the website.
yeah, opens it in your browser
Okay,
and then you press
that's
post
cool.
on the actual website.
Oh damn it! You should have told me that you tweeted because I would have retweeted on the Tiny Life account.
I did. I said I'm making a bluebee, but that's okay.
Yeah, well, I do remember you saying that, but I forgot.
It's fine. And then I'm probably going to have a convenience function either in here or elsewhere for generating the intent links. Whew, my brain is actually burning trying to sort all this out. I need a piece of paper. I can't use this piece of paper because I wrote clue board on it. Hey,
Like the
guys.
word clue board
Yeah, hold on. You guys are
or
gonna
a
get
clue board.
no. You guys are about to get a sneak peek into one of my ongoing projects, or my webcam doesn't work.
Your ongoing project is a clue board.
No, this is what I did, and you can see that it has something written on the backside, but you can't see it when it's pressed flat
It's a big
against
C.
a desk. That's a big C. I wonder why I would have letters printed on something. The world may never know. Hopefully, the world will know soonly. Soonly?
Ka. Soonly.
Hopefully, the world will know soonly.
That sounds like an old timey thing.
Hold on, I need paper that doesn't have big letters on it. Give me a second. Where's my notebook? Where's my moleskin? Oh fuck it! I'm drawing it on the screen. Ignore all of these.
Oh my god, what is going on?
What do you mean? What is going on?
That was a lot of like weird images.
What do you mean? Have you never seen one of my videos before?
No, that's fair. That's fair.
I have to make a bunch of little tiny animations for them, and I adore it, but it does require a lot of tiny images.
Yeah.
Anyways, so UI. When you say you're gonna paint something,
Wait, are you like making a mock-up of the UI? You should be using what's the tool called that everyone hates to make mock-up UI? Oh, Figma. You should be using Figma for this.
Figma fucking balls, hey, we got him.
It's
Okay.
such a stupid name. But yeah, everyone hates that tool, right? I don't know. I think everyone hates it.
Okay, so here's the colors. Whenever you click one, it pulls up a color picker. Here, oh, here's the design space. It's a bit vertical, so.
People are gonna make jokes about this. They're gonna be like, wait, I'm trying to like figure out a good way to say this. They're gonna be like, this mod has a color picker and the base game doesn't. It looks like a
Well,
microwave what you're
the,
doing.
yeah, hold on. We gotta get the tiny Louvre microwave design. Okay.
But yeah, people are gonna be gonna like make jokes about this and be like, the painting mod has a color picker, the base game doesn't.
Yeah, I wonder why the fucking painting mod has a color picker, asshole.
Yeah. Why are you
And
making a
then
microwave?
microwave. Don't mind that I'm in animation mode. There's no reason I would be in animation mode. Don't worry. And then this brings up just a little tiny color picker window,
That's so cute.
which is just your little color picker.
It's little tiny and the exact same size as the main window.
No, I mean it's gonna be smaller, but I'm allowed to have resolution.
Yeah.
I don't know what that means. What does I'm allowed to have resolution mean?
I just accepted it.
And then maybe a little OK button down here. Shrink this. OK button here. Close button. And this is your color
It's
wooble.
just a second microwave.
Yeah, I love designing microwaves.
That one looks even more like a microwave because it doesn't have the random boxes on the left.
And then this will be the next window. It'll be really cool.
Another microwave.
Hold on. It'll have a handle here. And then some buttons here. And then it'll have a little screen here, I think. And then
I have to say,
there you go.
that's beautiful.
You may not like it, but this is what peak UI looks like.
Yeah, it's just everything's a microwave.
It's like crabs. I will not elaborate.
What? Okay.
Why did? Oh yeah, because we were making jokes about a microwave.
Dude, were you just asking why you drew a microwave?
No. I have a train of thought. It's just derailed. Okay, so this is good. This is a good, very good mock-up. Very good, top tier, top 10 mock-ups, 2020.
2020.
Okay. And then actually, what's a good base element? I probably shouldn't be using groups for everything. That was a real question, by the way.
What? I didn't listen.
I
What
was
did
gonna
you
ask
say?
what's a good base element for I guess groups are fine if they're gonna contain other things.
Yeah.
Panel is
Or I guess,
probably
a
good.
panel if you wanted to have a texture.
Yeah.
Bouton.
Mm-hmm. I just add a breakpoint. No, okay. I almost added a breakpoint though. That would have
Oh
been
no.
catastrophic. Can you imagine if I'd added a breakpoint? I would have died on the spot.
I really want to find out, like, figure out how to make it so that you can debug Tiny Life mods.
I don't think
I know you
it's
can't.
easy with C sharp.
Yeah. Well, obviously, because the thing is, right, it's easier, it's a lot easier to make modding in C Sharp than it is in, like, Java because the reflection is just way better. But I think the fact that it, like, compiles to a DLL makes it really difficult to debug.
Yeah.
But I would quite like for it to work, so maybe sometime.
I don't know. I genuinely, I'm paralyzed. I don't know where to start. This is like the actual hard part of the mod that I have to
You're
make now.
parallelized.
I'm parallelized.
I guess you should start by making a group and adding a panel to it.
I should open the paint window. You're right. I should add a panel. Ugh.
Yeah.
Okay. What do I do? I make the. Okay, let's get the stylus off my keyboard.
What's the stylus in your keyboard?
It was on my keyboard
Oh.
because I was drawing with it. I was making microwaves. Hold on, I need to pull up my mock-up again. I need to pull up the microwaves. Okay.
Stupid. Boutons. Well, that's almost how to initialize an array in C Sharp.
Okay, why is that? Void unnecessary zero length array. Oh yeah, I have to actually
Yeah, 'cause
specify
it's
a
an
length.
empty array.
The-
This is fun.
Is there an easy way to just? Is there an easy way to initialize a non-null array?
What? What?
Is there an
I don't know
easy
what that
way
means.
to basically to fill this with new color buttons? I
For
guess
loop.
I
Always
was about to
works.
say. I guess I can just use a for loop.
I like just jumped into this from the world of functional programming. We're like hoping for an easy solution. Does it
I
involve a
love
loop?
I love functions. That's not a for each loop. Fucking
This is fun.
don't. Hey, I don't use C sharp ever.
This is all of this so far. It has the exact same syntax as Java.
Oh, does it?
There's no excuse. Would you make your Minecraft mods in Kotlin? What's going on?
I do.
Oh, do you really?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess there is an excuse then. No,
Wow,
you do.
that's
I
not
have
the
never used Kotlin.
That's not the same. Wow, I can't believe you.
Yeah, but you forgot an initializer, but otherwise it is the same syntax as Java. I can't believe you're using Kotlin. I've never used Kotlin before.
It's quite
Is
nice.
it good? Yeah.
A lot of people don't like it. I like it. It's
Wait, really? A lot of people don't like it. It's what Android is now made in.
Yeah, well,
Because
okay,
I feel like
sorry.
enough people like it.
I should say a lot of people I hang out with don't like it, but that's because I keep
Right.
hanging out with Winfy, who really doesn't like it.
Right. I think it's like people say it's good. I've just never tried it.
It's quite nice. It really just what I like about it is there's fucking so much less boilerplate. Like, dear God.
I feel like the thing I hate about Java is how like afraid they are of adding language features. It's always just like extending the standard library.
I like that they added records at least, but no, Kotlin also
Yeah.
adds a lot of stuff like
It's been 27,000 years coming and they finally added records. Still no extension methods though.
yeah, Kotlin
Somehow.
adds extension methods.
So yeah, that sounds nice.
What was I doing?
I might try it out
Color
somehow.
button. What's the initializer for color button?
A lot of things.
Anchor. What? Why did it extend into that?
The fuck?
Why are you doing that?
I don't know. What? Are you just pressing enter?
I was just pressing enter, yes.
That's. Oh, I know why. Because anchor is the name of like there's this dot anchor. Because you're in a covering group which has an
This
anchor.
oh,
Which
this
is
is the
called the
size.
anchor.
Can't
Yeah, 'cause
access
you need to do.
static member in non-static context?
Yeah, because anchor is the anchor of the current covering group. Like it's not the type anchor. It's the property
Oh,
anchor.
oh my god.
That's why it kept trying to autocomplete something dumb.
I see. How do I
I think you can do UI.anchor.autolist instead, and then it'll be fixed. Because it's in the UI namespace, I think.
Thanks. Thanks, Ryder.
No, not that. I think it's in the lowercase I, though. Is it not in that? Anchor.
Oh, this is
What
my
is?
UI. Hold on.
Yeah, it should be. If you do a lowercase I, it should work. Yeah, and now just accept
Is
that.
it UIs dot anchor?
No, it's this. It is that. Oh. Hmm. I guess you have to do the full like lem.ui.anchor, but that's terrible.
That doesn't even work.
Yeah. No.
Oh
You
yeah,
have to.
yeah.
You can
Thanks,
either do
thanks.
it.
Whenever I once I specify,
Yeah.
it's like
You can either do you can also just do a type alias in the using, but you know that works, I guess. I'm looking at itty now.
don't. It's bad.
What? Oh no.
Virtual member call and constructor, is that really a why is that a issue?
Because of, like it works here, but there's a whole thing about the initialization order of like when constructors are called. It's like better than in Java, but still pretty bad. But it is fine. Like you can do this.
Okay. And then color buttons at the left. All my color buttons to the left. Painting area. pulling up the microwave again.
Good.
Okay, close button. Hold on. Close button I'll probably define here.
Oh yeah, okay. I read up on, because I didn't remember. I read up on why the virtual member thing in the constructor is weird. It's because in .NET, base type initializers run after the derived type initializers, but constructors are executed so that the base constructor is always executed first.
Mm.
That means that if you call a base method in a derived type, the base type won't have had its constructor called yet, which is like not unexpected, because usually always like you always expect a thing to have its constructor had already called,
Mm-hmm.
but that wouldn't be the case here, which is weird, and that's why it's a warning. It's kind of strange though.
For now, this will just be an in-engine X, just a text X.
Great. I think you just use the base game has an X in the UI texture somewhere that you can use.
But why would I use the base game X when I can make my own X?
You're making your own X. Oh no.
Yeah.
I'm quite excited for this mod.
Yeah, same. It's been in my brain burning a hole through me for a while.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I'm bad at doing things.
I mean, that's fair.
It's mostly just that I've been doing a billion things at once, and that makes all of them slow. Oh wait, hold on. I don't actually open the. Where is it? Actions, paint action. How do I open? Hold on. Let me go back to the AD code. How do I open up?
I can also just tell you.
Okay, so I get the. Okay. Okay. A new AD button is. UI.menu equals a new covering group. And root.system.add. Okay. I'm gonna yoink that whole cloth. What is UI? Oh, that's my own thing. Okay. Okay, can I not just act on...
What are you
Oh,
doing?
that's a class. Okay, how do I get the root element? Is it tiny life game? Hold on.
It's gameimpl.instance.ui system. No, it's gameimpl, like game implementation.
Yeah,
So
I got
called
it.
tiny life.
I'm typing it. I'm typing it. I'm
Oh
typing
yeah,
it.
sorry, because I see it
I
in
know it's a
there.
bit delayed. I know it's a bit delayed. I can't really... It's shared. Unfortunately, I would share my screen, except sharing a whole display on Discord keeps fucking it up.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
And also, it negatively impacts my encoding speed on OBS.
Yeah, no, that makes sense.
.ui system dot add.
Add, yeah. And then you get a root element out of it, which you can call set pause game on, which is an extension method but from Tiny Life that causes the pause of the game when it's open.
What does
You need
add
a
have?
name.
A name, okay.
Yeah, this is not enforced, but it's a good idea to, have the mod ID. Yeah, there you go, and then it pauses the game.
Oh boy, I hope this crashes.
I mean, why? It shouldn't.
Oh boy.
I'm excited.
Use the make a masterpiece branch.
Oh, did you call it make a masterpiece? That's good.
Oh yes. Perfect. I didn't set a size.
What did you do?
I didn't set a size.
Oh, yeah, and also it has a close button by default. I forget. The covering group adds one by default.
Here, look at these color buttons. They're very...
Yeah, they're tiny.
I forgot how small 4x4 was.
I love them though.
They're itty bitty.
I think the color selection buttons in the build mode are like 8x8.
Okay, hold on. This is why... You know, Rome wasn't built in 5.5... Rome wasn't built in an hour and 58 minutes and 15 seconds.
Right.
You know what
That's
they
the
say.
saying.
Rome took like at least a day. That's what they're all saying. Every time I
That's
ask,
true.
they say Rome probably took a day, maybe two.
That's the saying, yeah.
That's the saying.
The color selection button is 8x8. Oh, it has a padding of 0.5, so
Okay,
it's
hold
7.
on.
It's 7 pixels.
Okay, now I should set... How do I set the size of this?
You go into the where you put the thing. All right. The group. Well, the group should be the full screen. That's fine. That's good. But the panel should be.
Oh, I
You're
need to
just
put
adding it
this...
to the group.
I
You
was
need a
adding this to
panel.
the group. I need a panel. That's,
You do
good
need a panel.
good point. 5 whole goods. What's a good default size?
150 by 150, I guess. Probably.
Okay, sure. My base my brain went 150 or 140 by 100. Okay, there we go. Add child root, and then I will call root.addChild on all these. Surely naming my element root will not be confusing.
It'll be fine.
It's fine. It's fine.
Why are the share buttons both in the bottom right? They'll be on the top of each other.
I will put them in a group later.
Yeah, okay. This is so fun. I've never seen anyone like live mod Tiny Life. It's very cool.
Ah, look at that. Perfect.
Oh
dear God.
Oh, I mean, that's better than before.
It's better.
Right from the top. Oh, you put auto center instead of just center?
I did.
Yeah, you gotta put just center so that it's in the center. Because auto center is like in the next line, in the center, but the next line is. Just
let's share and save. Let's shave.
Let's shave. I love how it says it's share it.
Shari.
Yeah, also the X button is also just like below the color button. You don't need an X button, I've realized. It's in the
Yeah, I know.
You can in the constructor you can specify like the conditions for when you're allowed to exit too.
You're always allowed to exit. I would never stop you from exiting.
But then that works.
If you want to throw away,
stop you from exiting.
If you want to what I'm probably gonna do is just actually have your paintings persist until you either share or save, and have a clear button. That way, and just have it be in a static field. That way, I don't have to. You can't like accidentally close and lose all your progress or whatever.
That makes sense.
You're not sleeping right now, Branch. You're opening this menu. Beautiful. I didn't change anything.
You only put it to the center.
Hey, but now you can close it with a close button. Look at that. Wow.
Beautiful. I love how you have like a 0 width and height thing so that it fucks up the 9 patch. I need to fix that.
Okay, these are gonna be 8 and 8, and they will also. Oh, my back. Oh, Lord.
What's happening to your back?
My back hurts.
I don't know why I sounded so excited. I'm like excited that your back hurts.
Oh boy, what's happening with your back?
What's happening to your back? Is it breaking? Is it finally breaking?
Is it dropping a new album?
I think you just made it worse because I saw what you coded and it didn't say anything, but I think it's worse. It's worse now. Because you put all the things in the same place again.
I would never do that.
I think that's what you did.
Beautiful.
Is it what you did?
It is what I did. Hold on, I'm gonna save so that you're standing next to this next time I open the game, so that it takes less time. I gotta put these on a panel, and then I gotta put the panel there, don't I?
Well, you can put them on a group. Wait, do you want a panel? Because it has a
group. Yeah. I hate groups. There, button group. I hate groups.
Why?
So full of shit. I'm sorry.
So dumb.
Sorry, I'm dying over here.
Yeah, you should also set the width based on children so that it's it like hugs the elements.
It's
in the constructor. I mean, you can do that too, but it's also in the constructor call. Yeah. You didn't. Did you fix the anchor for the color buttons?
Nope. What's the best? Hold on. First
Auto
off, let's
left.
fix that, and then. Good point.
Because it'll just put them vertical.
And then another group over here.
Time to group.
I love groups. I've never said anything else.
You just said you hated groups.
I've always loved groups.
Right.
There's no auto top SMH.
Well, how would that work?
I don't know.
It just always goes on top. That's top.
You think I think things through before I say
There's
them?
no auto involved. You just added the button group. Oh, you just fixed it. Okay. I was gonna complain.
What?
You've already fixed it. It's fine.
Yeah, that's because I'm real smart.
Yeah. It's very.
Oh no.
Is it worse?
There were 8 errors loading from disk.
It says 1. How did you get 8?
I didn't
Does it
say
not
8.
say 1?
Did I say 8? I just said there were
You
errors
did say-
loading from disk.
I thought you said 8.
Oh yeah, and the painting area is 0 by 0. That makes sense. That makes sense.
I mean, that looks better though. It's getting somewhere.
Mm-hmm. And then I'm
Also,
probably
most of
gonna.
the
I think I might
what's
make
the
the
error?
color. I think I might make the color buttons a bit bigger and then put like a little edit pop out whenever you hover them.
Yeah.
So you can click to switch to the color or hover over it and then it'll pop out and you can click to edit.
This is good. What's the error though?
Oh, it's probably itty. It's always
I
itty.
want to see. Why do you have itty even installed in this? Like.
Oh, unable to find a constructor to use for type tiny louvre actions paint action.
Yeah, see, that's not itty. Go to paint action.
That's not paint
Go to
action.
paint action.
Yeah, I was going. I was going.
Sorry.
I was-
Sorry. And do you have multiple constructors? Is that why? Yeah, you do. You don't need the one without the type because it's a typed action. If you have multiple, they all accept parameters. It like gets confused. But you only need the one, so it's fine. The one without the type is for actions that like you use internally that don't like you can't click them, but you can like put them in a multi-action or whatever.
Fair. Oh yeah, I forgot I had Ace Sprite over here. What are you're viewing? Don't view. Come back over here and make a
You
masterpiece.
look so upset at them viewing.
Imagine viewing when you could be making a masterpiece.
What were they viewing?
So painting.
Oh.
Hold on.
Maybe they're viewing for inspiration, man.
Alright. What's the rotate button?
That's
I thought it was R. C.
It's not R. You can you wrote an object with R.
That's it. I don't see what. It might have been this
No,
poster.
it's on the. Yeah, it was the poster, I think.
Okay. It had a different icon than this.
Did it?
Yeah.
It's some other poster.
You just fall asleep with a salad on your keyboard, a veggie burgers on your keyboard.
Oh, this is a. Oh no. I forgot about the sleep bug. I never.
Not
forgot.
for
It's like
babies.
It's there was like a thing where it changed the way that multi-actions work, and it meant that like some actions were prematurely canceled, and if the sleep action was prematurely canceled, like when you load an old save, they would like keep the sleep emotion.
Eventually, I should replace this with an actual texture.
Yeah.
Okay. You know, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere.
Yeah.
We're. Hold on. Down here. Paint window. 80, and then what's 32 times 4? That's 128, right? I should know
so,
this.
yeah.
It's binary.
Yeah, it is.
I play Minecraft. I should know this. Lord, excuse me. Can I just hook in a click action here?
Depends on what you mean.
I have a panel here. Can I make
Yeah.
it perform an action whenever it is clicked?
Yeah, that's on pressed.
On pressed, okay.
Because it's not, it's cross-platform. It's cross input type. That's why it's not called click. I think it's an event. I don't know what you're doing.
Oh, it's an event? Oh, hold on.
Yeah, I think so.
There we go. Okay, and I don't need this one. And wait, does it not tell me? Is there not an argument for where it was clicked?
There was not.
Okay, so I have to check the mouse X and then subtract from the position of the element, huh?
That's because I don't know why. Oh, that's because if you use a gamepad, there's no position.
Yeah,
like
fair. This mod will not work well for people with gamepads.
Well, yeah.
Is position offset, is that absolute? No.
No, that's the position of the element. Wait,
Is there an absolute element position I can do, or do I have to go up the chain?
there's a thing somewhere where you can check. No, the current this display area, the current location. Display area.
That location. There we go. I'm just gonna leave that for myself for later. And then mouse position, I'm guessing, is in game input.
Yeah, you can also do yeah, it's gameinput.instance.input.mouse position. But I think you can actually also get it from the element, because it's element.input also has the input handler.
Element.input?
Yeah, it's just
I don't see that.
Oh, element.controls.input, I think. But it's just the same thing, so it doesn't matter.
Okay, I will prefer. I do prefer relative shit if I can do it.
Yeah, same. It is a bit silly that the UI system doesn't allow.
Nah, for the design of the game, that makes sense. As long as there's a way to do it at all, I'm fine with that.
Yeah, I'm gonna write something about that.
Okay, and then
Emblem already does a thing where there's a method called get element under pose, which you can pass an arbitrary position, and it should just make it so that it gives the element internal position too, because that sounds useful.
Is there a small int? I don't think there is.
It's just int. Wait, what do you mean small int? Like a byte?
Yeah. Short. That would do it. That would be it. Short.
Is this the colors? Because you can also just use color. You can also use a multi-dimensional array.
I am using a multi-dimensional array.
No, you're using an array of arrays.
Oh, what's the difference?
Yeah, multi-dimensional array, you can index it it's always the same.
How do I
It's a width and a
specify
height.
that?
You put a comma instead of a two array thingies. Just a comma in the array bracket.
That?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
bizarre.
Because it has 2 entries now. Like 2 spaces. Yeah, but it's
Whoa,
because
that's strange.
in an array of arrays you can have like different lengths, right? So it's not one width and one height.
That makes sense.
But for this, it's one width and one height.
These are different. Oh, I guess no. It is one with one height. So that is fine. What was my dimensions that I'd specified earlier? Where's my markdown? Roadmap.txt. I thought I changed this to a markdown, but whatever.
Oh, 10
by 16. There we go. I'll put a little space there to be polite. Yeah, sure. I'll turn that into a null coalesce assignment. Well, the only reason I'm using U shorts is because this only needs to be if I could use single bytes. Can I use single bytes? Because there's 4 possible values for each field. I don't need this to be big.
4 possible values for each field.
Yeah, because there's only 4 colors.
Oh, because there's 4 colors, right? Yeah. Let's just do a byte then, yeah.
It's 0, 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah.
Honestly, even a byte's a bit big, but that's fine.
I mean, yeah, but
I'm going to be collapsing it even more during processing, so I can just do whatever here. Whenever I encode this, I'm probably going to be shoving what I could get 4 pixels into one character.
Yeah.
And then have 4 characters up front for a rough color. The color will be in a confined color space too, probably.
Mm-hmm.
So it'll be something like what I want a prefix just so it's easy to regex. TL color, and then painting information, something like that, just at the end of into the bloob.
Yeah.
And then they'll be searchable because they'll have
the prefix.
No, they'll have #tinylouv.
Oh right, yeah.
And then I can whenever I'm fetching the paintings, I can just go, okay, just make me a feed that's got #tinylouv followed, and just check on that feed through the public API.
Yeah.
And then go through everything, check to see if it's got the token, and then pick 10 from latest and 10 from top with the token. And then mix them in a pool and put random ones in the museum. And then obviously any local saved ones will also just be in the pool.
Yeah.
And available.
That'd be awesome. That sounds cool.
Yeah. Maybe local save ones don't go up in the museum, but maybe local save ones you can put up on display in your own house.
Yeah.
Just for fun. Okay. I think I might wrap stream. I do want to work on this more, but my brain's kind of hitting its limit
No,
after doing nothing.
I mean, that makes sense because you're getting back into like a thing that you're not familiar with anymore.
Yeah, but I've enjoyed this. Thank you for joining me, El. I'm probably gonna work on this more off stream too.
Mm-hmm.
But thank you everybody who dropped